Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I'm Dr. Smritrika Satpathy, and on this channel, we share practical tools to help parents and caregivers support autistic children to thrive. In our last video, we talked about supporting early writing skills, and you all gave amazing feedback. Thank you so much. Today, we are building on that with something every parent asks about: how to support children in learning early arithmetic in a fun and easy way, especially for autistic learners. Whether your child is just learning numbers or struggling with counting and simple math, I have got research supporting tips that are therapist approved and can be done at home with everyday tools. Let's get into it. Before we dive into activities, here is what experts tell us. Autistic learners often thrive with structured, predictable routines. They benefit from visual supports like pictures and objects. Math becomes easier when it is connected to real, meaningful play. Movement and sensory play can reinforce learning. So, our goal today is to make early arithmetic predictable, engaging, and connected to your child's world, not worksheets or drilling. Early math is not abstract, it starts with real objects. Research shows that children make bigger gains when number concepts are tied to sensory physical items. Try this at home. Use toys your child loves: cars, blocks, dinosaurs. Ask questions like, can you give me 3 cars? Let's line up 5 blocks. Encourage your child to touch, move, and count aloud. For example, if your child loves toy cars, you can say, let's park the cars in the garage. 1 car, 2 cars, 3 cars. Children often learn faster when numbers are connected to something they already enjoy. Bonus idea for you: put objects in a sensory bin: rice, beans, pom poms, and hide little items to find and count. Songs and rhythm help memory and attention, especially for autistic learners. Try 5 little ducks, 10 in the bed, clapping or stomping while counting. Many autistic children respond well to rhythm and repetition. When you clap or stomp while counting, it activates both movement and listening skills, which can strengthen number memory. For example, clap and count together: 1, 2, 3. You will be amazed at how quickly kids remember numbers with a beat. Play is not a break from learning, it is learning. Try these game ideas at home. Math scavenger hunt. Find 4 blue things. Match it up. Match number cards with objects. Sorting games. Sort by number, size, or color. These help with classification, comparison, and counting. Core early math skills. You can even turn cleaning up into a math game. For example, let's pick up 4 blocks together. This turns everyday tasks into learning moments. Visual supports are powerful and they make expectations clear. You can use number lines, visual counting cards, and picture sequences. You can make these yourself or print them out. Even simple drawings help. Research suggests that visual supports improve both engagement and comprehension for autistic learners. Before we continue, tell me in the comments: does your child enjoy counting or do numbers feel frustrating right now? Math is everywhere, not just in math time. Here is how you can naturally include it in everyday routines. Snack time. You can say, you have 5 grapes. If you eat 2, how many are left? Bath time. Count the toys together while placing them in the water. Shopping. Ask your child to help count items in the cart. Everyday routines mean no extra stress and natural learning opportunities. Even while setting the table, you can say, we need 3 spoons. Let's count them together. Every child is unique. What works best depends on how they learn. Some kids love visuals. Some learn better through movement. Some prefer repetitive, predictable play. If something is not working today, save it for another day and try another strategy instead. Learning should feel safe and fun, not frustrating. Before we close, here are some quick reminders. Keep sessions short. 5 to 10 minutes is often enough. Praise effort, not perfection. Follow your child's lead. Celebrate every victory, even small ones. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. It really helps this community grow. And if you would like more practical strategies like this, make sure to watch our mini series on supporting children with autism available on this channel. Comment below with your child's favorite counting activity and what do you want support with next. You are doing an amazing job, one step at a time.